Some nights you're sad because you get bullied. Some nights you just want to cry. Some nights you wish someone was there for you. Some nights you just don't care anymore. But you still wake up, you still see the hope. Oh Lord, you're still not sure if you're brave enough. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. This is it, boys. This is war. What are you waiting for? Why don't you quit just already? I'm not the one to believe the words anymore. So say them for yourself to give you a chore. I tried twice as hard and I'm half as liked. But here they come again to jack my style. And that's alright, I found a lot of hope in my bed tonight. You won't stop my thoughts from wondering who I am. Well, some nights I wish that this would end. I could use some friends for a change. And some nights I'm scared you'll punch me again. Some nights I feel scared. You still wake up, you still see the hope. Oh Lord, you're still not sure if you're brave enough. Am I brave? Oh, ha, oh, 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 ha, oh, 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 ha, oh, ha, oh, oh, ha, oh, ha, yeah, oh. So this is it? I wasted my time on this? Shed my tears for this? I miss my mom and dad for this? Miss them. When I see stars, it gives me hope. When I hear insults, they sound like this one.
You're fat and ugly.
So come on, bring it on. Well, this is it, guys. That is all. Stop the bullying for once for all.
Please just stop. No.
10 years of this, and I'm not sure if anyone understands. This one is not for the good people in school. Sorry to leave, Mom, I had to go. Who wants to live alone and have no one? I don't. So that's why I'm back here to stay, because I'm fighting for what I know. But when I look into the bully's eyes, man, you wouldn't believe the most disgusting things you can see. Some terrible rumors. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, ha, ha, oh, 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 yeah, oh. Yeah, then you wouldn't believe the dream I had about bullying me. I stood up and they listened to me. I wish it was real.
I was on the studio.
No.
Mommy! How do you never have any fun?